Welcome back to our channel everyone. Today we will be disassembling the Freser TC211 machine. This is a super easy machine to disassemble. Let's get right into it. To start off, remove the top two screws. With this you can easily access the inside of the machine. Both the side panels can easily come out by just taking out the top two screws, and there's also one screw right at the bottom. Just repeat the same thing for the other side as well. The back panel is way easier. Just take out the top two screws and the back panel should slide right off. I like to remove the front two screws as well because this gives me easy access to change anything related to the group head. This is one of the best parts of this machine. By just taking out 8 screws, you are into the machine and you can access to the pump, you have access to the heating element, you have access to the group head and all the sensors in the boiler. Thank you everyone for watching and follow us for more content like this.